Steamed fish with ginger, a Cantonese classic, is our next recipe today. This dish is usually done with whole fish like silver perch. Go for a fatty fish so it stays nice and moist throughout the cooking process and has a palate to absorb the beautiful, simple sauce that you will be adding to it later on along with ginger. Pick up your fish. We're going to slit the fish on both sides with a knife. So 1 and 2. Same thing on the other side, 1 and 2. And now we're going to stuff the cavity of the fish here with ginger and some spring onion. And the same thing on the outside as well. The slits that you've made need to be stuffed with the ginger and some of the spring onion bulbs as well. On both sides. And we're going to leave a tiny bit of the ginger and the spring onion behind for garnish later on. We're also going to pour some Shaoxing rice wine on it to take the fishy smell away. My water has come to a boil. And I have a stand sitting here already. I'm going to pop my fish on the stand and then cover it up for about 15 minutes until this is completely done. The sauce today is extremely simple. We've got some light soy sauce that we're going to pour in a saucepan. A bit of sugar to give it sweetness, and some water. All you have to do is just bring this to a boil and then turn the heat off. All we're doing here is dissolving the sugar in the liquid and also caramelizing the natural sugars in your soy sauce to give it more flavor. Time's up. I'm going to get my fish out. You know your fish is ready when its eye is opaque like this and has popped out. Want to take this out carefully. Put it down and we're going to finish this off now. I've transferred my fish from this plate onto this serving plate over here very carefully. This water I do not need. I'm going to get rid of it. And now it's time to season the fish further. I'm going to start by pouring that sauce that I prepared earlier on all over the fish. Some more ginger on top for garnish. Some more of my spring onion. And now I'm going to pour some very, very hot oil on top of the fish. I have a hot pan here. I'm going to pour about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. Get it super hot. This is on medium heat right now. Now that the oil is hot and smoking, pour it on top of the herbs. Some chili to garnish your fish. This is just chili pepper, red chili pepper over here. And your fish is ready to be served with steamed rice. I also like to add a touch, just a touch of sesame oil for more aroma. My Cantonese steamed fish with steamed rice and a side of vegetables.